Hi there. If you're looking to expand your business or grow your online business, there's one thing you need to start doing. That is, if you haven't started at all. And if you have started it, then you need to double on it. And that one thing has proven to generate 4,800 return on investment. Because for every $1 that you invest in this, you're going to get at least $48 return on investment. And that one thing is email marketing. So how does email marketing work? Basically, it is you getting people's emails and then sending them offers that are tailored to their needs. Now, when I say getting people's emails, I don't mean that you should just go scrap people's emails on the internet or buy emails from people and then start blasting them emails. No, that is not what I mean. What I mean is this: if you want to build an email list, what you need to do is get an offer. So it could be an ebook, it could be a video tutorial, it could be a webinar, it could be podcast. So this offer has to be something that your target audience want, and it has to be specific. For example, if you are into coaching, maybe you're a health coach and then maybe your own health coach actually deals with weight loss. You could share like 5 tips on how to lose 10 pounds in the next 30 days. Now, that is specific to your target audience. The format actually depends on what your audience can consume. So some audience like to consume PDFs or ebooks, some audience like to consume podcasts, but some audience like to consume video. After you've created this offer, then you now give it out to people for free, right? You have to give it out to people for free. It's not actually free in its sense, because people have to exchange, that offer, that free offer for something, and that is their emails. So it could be their names and emails, or their names, phone numbers, and emails. Now, the more information you collect, the lesser you're going to get your conversion, right? So basically, just leave it at most, maybe name and email, right, for beginners, okay? And then start sharing these. It could be on social media platforms, or it could be on somebody else's email list that maybe you have friends or partners in the coaching program. So they can send emails to their list and tell them, hey, Sola Mathew is offering this ebook on how you can lose maybe 10 pounds in the next 30 days. Click here to get it for free for a limited period of time. And you see, people who are interested in losing weight are going to click on that link and then input their names and emails, and then that is how you grow your email list. Another way to grow your email list is you could run Facebook adverts, actually meta adverts, so to say. It could be Facebook and Instagram. You could run Google ads. Basically, you could run any ad on any platform to get people to sign up to your email list. And that is the ethical way to grow your email list. Now, as you grow your email list, okay, there are certain things you need to also do. For example, we have what we call welcome series, whereby when somebody signs up to your email list, the person starts getting emails automatically, and then over a period of time. Okay, and most likely some of these people will eventually convert and start buying something from you. So if you haven't started building an email list, the time to start building your email list was yesterday, and the next best time to start building your email list is right now. There are also lots of valuable tips on how you can actually build an engaging email list of potential buyers. Okay, I'm planning a webinar which is going to host very soon. I will share more details, so make sure to follow me so that whenever I share details about that webinar, you'll be the first person to know about it. Let me know, which of these tips did you find really interesting, did you find really valuable, that you're going to start actioning today? Drop it in the comment section, and I look forward to hearing from you.